rev up your engines. Today I'm going to talk about the future of car headlights. But at least for me, it's the present. It's called the Bosla headlight. It's an interesting invention that just came out. Now you might say, hey, I've seen LED headlights, what's new? Well, first, this one's sealed inside glass. It's pretty waterproof. You're not going to have any problems with that. And it's got the whole system in the wiring harness, including the resistor and everything. So it just plugs in your car. You don't have to modify anything, and it works correctly. The problem with the cheaper LEDs is a lot of times all you get is a bulb assembly. You screw it in, but it doesn't have the resistor. It can work strange with your car. This thing is designed correctly for modern cars. You don't need to buy ballast resistors. It's already included. You don't have to splice wiring. It just plugs right in. But here's the coolest thing about it. Although it's one bulb, it does 4 different things just by flipping your switch on and off. Watch this. You turn your headlights on normally and you get nice, bright, normal headlights. On they go. But then when you turn them off and on a second time, you can notice that they aren't quite as bright. They're a lower angstrom. And when you click them one more time, watch this. Now they're even a lower angstrom and look yellow. And when you click them again, then they become flashing yellow warning headlights, and if you turn the high beams on top of it, you get this. You'll be able to see while driving and have some really serious warning lights. Now, of course, the company doesn't want to be sued, so it says that the yellow flashing headlights are only to be used off-road in emergency. Somebody's shooting at you, or you want to get the police to come because there's a real problem. Turn those babies on, people are going to notice it. Now, as far as I'm concerned, the coolest thing about this is you don't have to modify anything. It's one bulb, and just by turning your headlights on and off, it activates the different aspects of it, and they're simple to put in. You just twist your old headlights and take them out. Just get them out, grab the tang here and unplug it. Out it comes. Then plug the new one in. Just snaps in, that's it. Then just push it in and twist it and it's in place. It's simple, anybody can do it. And of course, you want to know, how does it work? They're LED lights, and they have 3 separate angstrom frequencies that they send light out with. And if you're curious, angstrom was a Swedish physicist in the 1800s, and 1 angstrom, that's named after him of course, is 1/10,000,000th of a millimeter. So we're talking about really small distances of light waves. Now the first setting is 6500 angstroms, which is nice and bright for seeing best at night when it's clear outside. Now, when you go to the second setting, that's 4,300 angstroms. It's made especially for driving through snowy conditions. It keeps the glare from coming off of the snowflakes and stuff. And the third setting is 3,000 angstroms, which is a yellow color, which is great for bad weather. It cuts through it better, and you don't get all the glare coming up. And as I said before, the fourth setting, that's still the yellow color, but it's flashing on and off as warning. No one's going to miss this at night, or even in the daytime. And if you're curious, here's what it looks like at nighttime. Now, I've tried them out at night and really like these night vision shooting glasses I have on here. The yellow really makes things pop better, especially if you get older like me. You need all the help you can at night. And one of the things I like best about this is it's all controlled just by turning your headlight switch on and off. In some areas where maybe the police don't like a particular color, or in your inspection area you can't have different colors to get it inspected, you just turn them on once, and they're the regular white ones, and they'll pass inspection that way. You don't have to worry about keep swapping bulbs in and out if you want different colors. This does it automatically, and it'll revert to the normal ones anytime you want. And let's face it, if you're coming up to a party or something and you got these lights going like that, hey, you want to garner attention to yourself? This is certainly going to work. But of course, more important is the safety aspect. Fog here in Houston, snow up north in Buffalo. If you can turn your headlights on and off and adapt your headlights to whatever the driving condition is, you can't beat that. And if you do get in a bad situation, you turn on those yellow flashing headlights, people are going to notice. Could save your life, who knows? Now this is a brand new product, and here are all the different bulbs that they have. You check what your bulb has and see if they have one of these bulbs. Heck, you can always pause the video there and see if your numbers are in there. Now it is a brand new product, and they keep upgrading it as time goes on. And as with any new product, there's bound to be a few glitches here and there. I read about people getting them, they didn't work, they had to send them back, got another one, and it worked perfectly fine. Since it's so brand new, you gotta expect something like that. But it's killer technology. If you're thinking about making your headlights a little bit safer and more interesting, you might try one of these Bosla bullets. And since this is Mechanic Monday, I'm giving away a set of these. And to have a chance to win, just place a clean, non-offensive comments on the YouTube comments below, and a winner will be chosen randomly by computer to get a pair of these cool Bosla bullet LED 4-function headlights. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.